Greetings to all. With great honor and pleasure, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of our institute, the GDGIS first virtual alumni meet. The word alumni depicts the passed out students from a school or college. Most alumni meet are conducted to express love and affection towards their former graduate students. It is such an emotional moment in which we are helping the ex students to reminisce about their school days. GDGIS Alumni Cell organizes this meet so that we can be the link to help the ex students to relive the life they lived years ago. This day is very important. It provides an opportunity for everyone to meet each other, their former teachers, and other staff members after so many years. It also helps the alumni to notice the various changes through which the school has gone through over the past years. I know time does not stop for anyone, and it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule to be here joining us live, and for that, I thank you all. But one thing I can assure you, the lovely memories you are going to take today. And it has been 10 years since our school started in 2011. It was a small count, just 47 students in 2013. But due to the dedication shown by our teachers to teach and the passion which you all showed to learn at that time, earned a name for our school. It was all possible because of all of you. Till this date, what you have done for your institution. We all are trying to compete for the excellence your batch was recognized for, and I applaud you all for setting up a benchmark for all the juniors. Coming to the event, we have planned a very good show for you all that will surely make you feel nostalgic. And we hope in future we'll have more fun, concerts, musical evening, dancing very soon, probably in the month of December. But for now, let's give a formal beginning of this event by lighting the lamp.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपो ज्योति परब्रह्म दीपो ज्योति धनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुतिष्ठायने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुवे त्रिगुणक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गुल्फाय गन्धमस्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Every memory of friendship shared, even for a short time, is a treasure. Like sunshine and warmth in your lives, like a cool breeze on a humid day, like a shower of rain refreshing the earth. This meet is to cherish the long forgotten. Now it's a time to hear from our principal, Dr. Mopali Mitra, who has really motivated the alumni cell members, the teachers, for this Herculean task, for connecting you all. We welcome you, ma'am. Over to you.
A very warm good afternoon to one and all. There's nothing like returning to a place that remains unchanged to find the ways in which you yourself has altered. With the epic words of Nelson Mandela on this propitious first alumni meet scheduled on this historic day, that is 21st of August 2021, I, Dr. Mopali Mitra, the principal of the mammoth organization GDGIS, is extravagantly elated to address you all, dear alumni, the sparkling and ravishing future of our nation, full of enthusiasm and zest within to conquer the world ahead. A sensational moment like such, where our grads are able to reminisce their old memories of friendship, moving around the school campus, participating for various events, the recess timing, be thinking about their beloved lectures, and reverberate their old and sweet cognizance, which shall redound in their heart with plight of pleasure and happiness. On behalf of the grandiose GDGIS, which started its insightful steps from 2011, has completed its peregrinating journey of 12 years. Propitiously was possible to pass out 8 batches of successful students up till now. The cradle of knowledge, with benevolent vision of the chief mentor, Mr. Manarbhai Kakaria, has reached towards amiable growth, which indeed is a compliment for the organization, which will facilitate every one of you to incur with the enrichment of the alma mater. I radiantly want to quote the lines of wisdom from Swami Vivekananda to applaud everyone. The world is the greatest gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. The alumni meet is an opulent ceremony where GDGIS finds monumental itself, representing an illustrious platform in the nation, where our students represent themselves in bulk, exulting with pride. I acknowledge and appreciate each one of you to put up in an appearance for such apropos gathering. I feel opportune to believe that around 800 students. Many are our accomplished and proficient alumni. In fact, reminiscing the retrospection of beautiful memory lane, an array of pearls beaded with sweetness and refreshments, I deeply congratulate you all to carry on with dignity and conviction. GDGIS has grown in its conducive accession towards evolution for unfolding new dimensions and pathways. In fact, our students and scholars are sparkle in every parts of the globe in search for knowledge and essence of nicety. Their distinctive subtlety attribution in every nook and corner is quite creditable. Gandhiji believed, in a gentle way you can shake the world. I strongly accredit the trust that you all play a pivotal role on your part, enriching and augmenting the knowledge pyramid as endowed by GDGIS to you. As most of you hold key position of influence in the wider society, I would aggrandize to regard that carry on to influence the beam of prejudice and shape a positive society with developments. You should always endeavor to uphold good morals and enforce your resourcefulness as an inspiration. Your dexterity and accomplishments should artistry the new India. I applaud every one of you for the amazing and incredible support you have extended to the alma mater. I conclude, I would rather predicate, be brave to stand for what you believe in, even if you stand alone. I wish everyone a bright and prosperous future ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for expressing your love to your alumni.
Hi everyone. Thank you for inviting me, Shweta ma'am. Any institution's alumni are key to its growth. We are focused on giving a global experience to our students. I think the success of any school can be measured by the contribution the alumni make to our national life. This is what was said by John F. Kennedy once. With this, I'm proud to announce the representatives of our first alumni batch 2013-14, Chinmay Saraf. He graduated from Auro University, Surat and is currently occupied with textile business. Palak Dudhani. She did her MBE Masters in Business Entrepreneurship course from BMS HR College and is associated with an NGO called Udan these days. Our alumni present us with a unique opportunity to build a foundation of support to be a strong international school. With this, I present the representatives of the second batch 2014-15. Tanya Saravagi, who has done her Masters in Luxury Accessories Design and Management from Istituto Marangoni, Florence, Italy. Preksha Agarwal, she has done her BBA from SD Jain International College, Surat, and also Diploma in Gems and Jewelry from ISGJ, Surat. She has started her diamond jewelry business and has been running it since 2019. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. With the hope of inspiration, here are the representatives of the batch 2015-16. Chaitanya Bhim Rajka, a very bright student. He has done his BTech from NIT Surat and is currently a business analyst. Kanishka Chugh, who's done her Bachelor's of Management Studies from Mitibai College, Mumbai, and is presently working as Deputy Manager at ICICI Bank. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Here comes the dream merchants of the batch 2016-17. Jeet Desai, who completed his BTech in Mechanical Engineering from VIT University in July 2021 itself and is going to pursue MS in Mechanical Engineering at Carnegie Mellon University, Pittsburgh, USA. Pranay Maheshwari, a student of BBA from Metas of Adventist Seventh Day College and is self-employed currently. Kajal Dukania, she is pursuing BSc at present and also has done diploma in horticulture. She is working with the hydroponics firm Herbshire in Surat. A great animal lover, she has her own animal shelter where she with her team takes care of stray dogs, probably who have met with accidents or maybe have lost their body functions to paralysis or are with terminal illness. No distance of place or lapse of time can lessen the bond of those who are thoroughly persuaded of each other's worth. Here are the representatives of the batch 2017-18. Tanisha Bhutra, a BBA student from Oro University, Surat, and Master in International Business, Hult International University, Dubai. Shivam Agrawal, he completed his bachelor's from Jai Hind College, Mumbai, and is pursuing Chartered Wealth Management from CISI, London. He is currently CEO of House of Knots, a luxury designer handmade carpet brand, part of 3 decades old India's leading 100% handmade carpet export unit. Connect today, transform tomorrow. It is not just our mission, it's our wish for you all. Inviting the representatives of the batch 2018-19. Tanisha Agrawal, pursuing BCom from NMIMS Mumbai. Also, she is pursuing her CA course and currently doing articleship from Pradeep Singhi and Associates, Surat. Samarth Patel, a student of SRM Chennai. He did his BTech in Mechatronics Engineering from there. We can do it if they help us. I mean, our alumni here. Once we get it going, then it can snowball. With warm regards, I welcome our representatives of the batch 2019-20. Vidhi Mithaiwala, who's pursuing Mass Media and Communication course from Whistling Woods International, Mumbai. Manvendra Vasia, a student of BCom LLB, pursuing his course from Institute of Law, Nirma University. As truth be told, homecoming never gets old. They called it an alumni reunion. We knew it was homecoming. We invite our latest representatives of the batch 2020-21. Astha Parikh, who has her plans to pursue the course of BBA from NMIMS Mumbai and secured 93.2%. And Tanishq Jain with 95.8% has his plans to pursue with BBA from Seventh Day Adventist College, Surat.
Recall it as often as you wish. A happy memory never wears out. Such happy moments you all have spent with your buddies and teachers. Let's hear it from them, what all they have to say to you all.
A very good afternoon to all my dear students. It's such a nice feeling to address you after such a long time. An alumni meet is something which celebrates and refreshes the old memories and meeting with your dear teachers and the other staff. But it is the pandemic which is making us go so distant. Still, technology is a blessing to us that even being so distant, we can connect with each other. It is a day when you could have come to your alma mater and you could have gone down the memory lane with new interactions and new hopes. Nevertheless, whatever we have, we'll celebrate. I still remember, it's just like yesterday, when you all were there with us and we were inculcating you with all sorts of knowledge, understanding. I remember my first batch of 2013-14, supposed to be the naughtiest, but still so mannerful, so respectful. I remember some of my students who were outstanding with their excellent performance. I welcome you all to this particular alumni meet with a hope that whatever the qualities we want to inculcate in you, like honesty, diligence, humility, love, care, brotherhood, and above all, humanity. Because children, wherever you go, how much ever you study hard or be at whatever the post, these qualities will bring success to your life goals. Some of you were here as kids, and this is the place which nurtured you with your teachers. As saplings, you came up and strengthened yourself and passed out your class 12 with flying colors to meet the society. So I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Wherever you are, whichever place you are, let it shine, let the country shine, let the world shine, and be global citizens. Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank the management of GDGIS for hosting such a wonderful meet. It's great to see all the alumni after such a long time. I'm glad to be in touch with most of you all. Today, I would, there are many flashes of memories that are coming my way. To point out something, I'd always say that I mostly had to play the role of a cop in the school, and it was quite a task to find mainly children, removing the profiling from the iPads, and it was quite a task because we used to find students using iPads for Instagram, Facebook, playing games, etc. And all in all, it was fun. It was a cat and mouse game, and I'll say that a lot of requests came to my table, whether it was for the hostel students demanding their special movies outing on the weekend, whether it was ordering the pizzas, burgers on the weekend, catching the day boarders, getting special items for the boarders. All in all, it was fun, and when I today look back at all of this, I'm sure when you look back at all of this, you would realize you've come a long way from that now. And I'm sure you're a lot more mature today, and most of you all are doing wonderful in the fields that you've already gone into. I wish you all the very best, and I'll just say that keep working hard, make most of the opportunities that come knocking your way, and hoping that we all get to meet in person someday. I wish you all the very best. Keep shining.
Hi everyone. My special thanks to Manas sir and Principal Ma'am for giving me this chance to connect with you all. My namaste and love to all my colleagues who are there. Children, I'm so happy to connect with you all, and I'm sure you must be doing well, great in your life. It says that life is all between B to D, and B to D, it comes C. So I'm very sure that you must be getting chance to be successful, chance to be creative, chance to be a very good human being. So stay the way you are, stay safe, stay healthy and happy. God bless all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I forget that typical tune? Never went off my ears. Okay, time for submissions today. Are you done with your homework? And here comes the line of those standard lame excuses. Ma'am, I did my homework, but I forgot the book at home. Ma'am, I had so many subjects, other subjects to work on, I couldn't finish your homework. Ma'am, I was unwell, I had to go to the doctor the whole day. And came on those excuses. And how can I forget when I was told, ma'am, Hindi is our Rashtra Bhasha. Why are you insisting on us speaking in English? And again, when it came to English, ma'am, why are we learning emails and letters? Why can't we just make a call? We could easily do that. And of course, the list goes on and on and on. And these are those never-ending stories. As I walked down the memory lane, these lines sounded irritating then. But today, they are like music to the ears because they bring alive the memories of those wonderful days we spent together. I stood there before you when you was getting nurtured with the best from every teacher. I find myself really honored and fortunate to be a part of that phase of your life when your foundation was being made strong. That foundation on which today you are building your empires. I will not forget to mention Keshav Maskara here, who has been in touch till day and wishes me on every Teacher's Day. Likewise, there have been many of you who are still strongly connected. So that definitely feels a privilege. I would get on to my teachergiri. How can I forget? So yeah, those days we came the lines to you, the guidelines to you were given you to do things and not to do things. Today also they remain the same, but your arenas have changed. Then when we told you not to cheat during exams, today also it stands the same. You're not supposed to cheat others. Most importantly, you need to be truthful to yourself. We then told you not to speak a lie. Every time you mentioned a lie, we stopped you from that. Even today, that holds the same. You're not supposed to really lie to anybody. You need to make yourself really strong enough there. Then you were asked to bring good scorecards. You needed to bring good scores in your report cards to make your parents proud. Do you think you don't have to do that even today? Of course, you have to make your parents proud even today with the achievements in your life. Well, these life lessons are a never-ending story. But here goes your favorite bell. So, to conclude it, though we have parted ways, deep in my heart remain those wonderful days. Expand your horizons and soar the skies. Grow into good humans and bring pride to all the eyes. Love you all. Keep weaving successful stories. Just like you are weaving yours, I have gone ahead with a wonderful venture called Virtually, which is an online educational app. So yeah, the story never comes to an end. The show goes on. And may God bless you all with colorful rainbows and bright sunshine always. Before signing off, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Chief Mentor, Mr. Manhar Kakaria, and the management of GD Goenka International Surat for letting me be part of such a wonderful event, the very first alumni of Goenka. So yes, take care everyone, stay safe, stay blessed, and do keep in touch.
Wow, that's great listening to your school teachers. It is a lifetime bond between a teacher and a student for sure. I would just like to say that back on its golden hinges and gate of memory swings, and my heart goes into the garden and walks with the olden things. In school days, what do we enjoy the most? Meeting friends, PE period, any celebration, going to the auditorium, annual day practices, yes, and dancing and listening to the choirs. So here are your juniors performing for their seniors. So let's witness a performance by them.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gift, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list, but she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gift, some superheroes, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
comments, students. I'm sure this stage must have given you a sheer nostalgia. Now let's hear it from our current staff members.
2013 के साल से जिन विद्यार्थियों को मैं हिंदी पढ़ा रही हूँ और जिन विद्यार्थियों को नहीं भी पढ़ाती हूँ, उनकी सभी की खट्टी मीठी यादें आज भी मुझे याद हैं.
I have a lot of memories with you all, but above all, right now, I used to feel like that the students are lost, like we are not going to see you all again. But yes, because of these alumni of GDGIS, we now have the opportunity where all the students are going to be with us, and I heartily welcome you all to the alumni team of GDGIS.
You all have given us such wonderful memories, and we all, recall you every now and then, sitting in the staff room or, sharing an anecdote with the current batch. And I wish you all the very best, all of you. May you get whatever you want in life, succeed in life, and see you soon in the alumni meet, and all the best.
It feels honored when I still get a few messages, wishes from ex-students, Komal Chandak, Vasu, Pushan, Vidhi, to name a few. It really feels honored and a pleasure that you still remember me for Guru Purnima, Teachers Day, and all the other special days. Thank you so much. It would be a pleasure to see you once again back in the school during the alumni meet.
Yes, I still remember the notorious times when you have actually created a nuisance, irritating us. But yes, that love is still depicted, and I still love you the same. I hope to see you in the alumni meet where we are waiting for you to come. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.
I congratulate to all of you for your bright future.
I have been teaching here. I have taught such wonderful students who still are cherished in my memories, and I feel highly privileged to be a part of this institution and to be with you all. Even those students whom I have not taught, I feel enough proud for them. Thank you very much, and wish you all best of luck for your future endeavors.
Hello my all the students, I hope you all are doing well, and since 8 years I have been the part of your journey also, and very soon we will meet again as a part of alumni.
I have a lot of memories with you all. I miss you all definitely every day, and even to whom I have not taught, welcome all of you. I wish you good luck for your future endeavors.
Hi, Goenkans. Even today I remember the happenings in the classroom and the memories with you all, mischiefs that you used to do, your enthralling performances and the auditorium, playing on the ground. I fondly remember running with you and cheering you, playing on the basketball ground, football ground, the auditorium, the cheers, the Teachers' Day, the farewell ceremonies, the investiture ceremony, and the amazing speeches that you give, your amazing performances, anchoring, comparing, like pro, the joyful moments that I shared with you all. I remember my Goenkan colleagues. Dear Goenkans, don't keep searching the treasure outside. The treasure is inside you. The stream of happiness is inside you. The stream of inspiration is inside you. Remember, you are the hero. You are the treasure. You are the wealth. And the real hero lies inside you. I know you. I understand you. I have seen you. And I know you can do what you decide. You have immense potential. You can overcome any problem. You always see yourself bigger than the problems. Always remember that the happiest man in the world is the richest man in the world. You know the magic of creating happiness inside you and around you also. Create joy from small things and always be happy. Love you all. Have a great life. May God bless you.
Hi everyone, this is Pamir Shah. मैं 2011 to 2014 GD गोयनका में एक्टिविटी इंचार्ज था और स्पोर्ट्स, नॉन स्पोर्ट्स और कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ का इंचार्ज हुआ करता था. मुझे पता चला कि हमारे जो भी एक्स स्टूडेंट्स है या जो भी करंट स्टूडेंट्स है वो एक अच्छा सा फेयरवेल पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड थैंकफुल कि आप लोगों ने हमारे जैसे पुराने टीचर्स और स्टाफ मेम्बर्स को याद किया. दिस इज़ सच ए ऑसम फीलिंग. एंड आई मस्ट से व्हेन आई वाज इन जीडी गोयनका, मैं जब जीडी गोयनका में था तो इट वाज रियली नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. किड्स वर ऑसम. आप जो स्टूडेंट्स थे वो बहुत ही टैलेंटेड थे एंड आप लोगों ने बहुत ही अच्छा अपने करियर को शेप अप करने का कोशिश किया है और अभी भी जिस हिसाब से जीडी गोयनका के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स और स्टाफ साथ में मिलके काम कर रहे हैं और जो भी टैलेंट नर्चर हो रहा है, जो भी आप लोगों का अभी तक का अचीवमेंट्स है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा काबिल तारीफ है. यू गाइज आर वेरी अप्रिशिएटेड एंड अप्रिशिएबल एवरीवेयर एंड आई विश फ्रॉम माई इनर के जीडी गोयनका का हर एक स्टूडेंट अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ही ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हो, बहुत ही अच्छा कुछ अचीव करे और जीडी गोयनका आपके करंट टीचर्स और हमारे जैसे पुराने टीचर्स का नाम रोशन करें. सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट गाइज, लव यू ऑल.
It has been wonderful along with you all students in GDGIS, and you have made me and GDGIS proud by scoring 100% marks in the AISSCE examinations 2015, and I am really very happy for you all as most of you are connected with me on social media, so I just get your news and I am happy for your success and the platform and the place where you all are. So wish you all the best for coming future.
This is Shanwaz Ansari. Hope you are doing well in this tough situation. I worked as a PGT biology in GD Goenka International School for 3 years. It was a great experience for me working with the eminent personalities as a staff and as a student. I learned a lot and from this school. This school is well known for the holistic development of the student.
नन्ही सी चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ते दीवारों पे चढ़ते 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का उत्साह रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़ के गिरना गिर के चढ़ना न अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती, कोशिश करने वाले की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वाले की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Namaskar students. I know you are looking at my mustache and counting the white hair. I'm telling you, I have not turned old. I'm still young at my heart. I still remember those days in GD Goenka when we used to play basketball, cricket, football and whatnot. It was wonderful time that I had spent with you. A time where we utilized our energy and we built a rapport that sustains together. Even now, I still get calls from students. I still have contacts with students with whom I had spent a lovely time. I feel great when they contact me and share their progress. Dear students, sports is not just a means to exercise your body, not just to keep you fit. It has got something more than that. It is to build the philosophy of life that you have to be planned when you enter into an arena. You have to prepare yourself with the thought that each time you fall, you have to rise irrespective of the situation. You have to be confident. You have to be a person who can be trusted. You have to be a person who has belief in yourself. And I know you are all doing great. With all the philosophies that you got from sports. I'm thankful to Ashish, who shared me the views that alumni of GD Goenka would like to listen to their old teachers. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Have a very good life. May God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Set your goals high in your life, so high that you will never be able to reach it. No, it's not an impractical method because reaching the goal is not the goal. Striving to reach the goal is the goal.
Students, myself Diptesh Teller, sports teacher. Students, maybe you all forget me, but I can't forget you. Students, always think about your future, your study, your goal, but never think about your success. Follow the excellence and the success will follow you. काबिल होने के लिए पढ़ो, कामयाब होने के लिए नहीं. The difficulties that we see in our life are the distractions we see when eyes are off our goal. No matter who we are and what we do, difficulties are an integral part of our life. We feel affected by our difficulties to the degree we lost focus on our goal, and the strength then comes from our one-pointed determination to achieve our goal. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. I hope you understand my small message. All the best for your bright futures. Thank you.
I joined the school as a middle section mathematics teacher. My children who were in middle section at that point of time made me such a refined teacher. I joined as a teacher and then later on I was promoted as the assistant coordinator in 2016, and then in 2018 I was promoted as the coordinator of the middle section. I still remember each and every class that I have taken, each and every moment that they shared with me, and we enjoyed a lot.
Warm greetings to all the students. Thank you very much for inviting on this platform. I know the students of GDGIS, they are making wonders, and few of them achieved and few of them are achieving their set life goals. My all the best wishes.
Whatever I taught to my children, especially you children, you are rocking in your life, you are doing great job in your life, and I'm sure you are helping each other and your society. And I wish all of you best of luck, best wishes to everyone. Help the society, help each other, help the community during this pandemic. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, teacher, for expressing your heart out. Sometimes the photo book can be more than just photos. We live our daily lives and make memories constantly. Since we have certain memories to cherish, we take measures in order to keep them safe and accessible at any time. And without a doubt, taking pictures is the easiest way and the best way. So here we are, floating all the memories in one go.
Hello everyone, this is Palak from the first pass out batch of GD Goenka. First batches are always special and we were the experiment for GD Goenka. I always remember how close we were with the top management. Like I remember going to Prem Sir, Jayashree ma'am for every small issue and complaining about things, and they used to listen so peacefully, and they had solution for everything. I remember celebrating each and every festival there because I was a boarding student, so I remember doing all of it. The one memory which when I look back and I remember is when we organized the Commerce Fest and everybody was so excited because it was the first time. So, and I remember everybody supporting it, like all the teachers and everybody supporting it so well. And I think the annual day was like an award, like everybody used to prepare so much for it. But even today when I look back, those 2 years were the best 2 years of my life. Like we were so carefree, and now everybody is settled down, married, responsibilities. But I would just want to say thank you GD Goenka for giving us such amazing memories. And Jayashree ma'am, even when today I apply Kajal, I remember you saying कि ये सब बड़े होके करना, अभी स्कूल में ये सब करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So even today I remember you when I apply Kajal, hoping that this reunion sometime turns out to be a physical one and we reconnect, everybody reconnects very soon. Thank you. Bye.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know.
मेरा नाम इश्क जान है, मैं शरारत से भरा, बड़ी मुश्किल में पड़ी मेरी फैमिली तुम्हारा। ये उछलता है कभी ये मचलता है, हर दम बेकाबू, रोज ये करता है नई नई गड़बड़, तुमको हंसा देगा शिनचैन।
Hey, it's Kajal here from batch 2016-17. I hope you remember me because I was the only person in the entire school that time who didn't stop talking at any event. And I'm hoping I can today in time. Jokes apart, we're here to reminisce about our school life, nostalgia it brings to us. So I thought let's begin with my favorite memory. So when the school started, we had birthday celebrations. Everyone got an individual cake. You had unlimited amount of food you could take. Second helping of ice cream. We had a dessert in every meal. And oh my god, the pani puri. It was just amazing. But that was year 2011. And I don't think you got that. Ouch. That was year of inception. So I guess it was like a first come, first serve basis. But yes, apart from mess, something I really miss is events. Something I actually miss that I was just saying to stick to you. Events, we had so many events. Oh my god. There was assembly, there was annual function, science fair, dance competition, music competition, absurd amount of competitions, and oh my god, we had sports day, our version of Olympics. And it was so embarrassing because Tigger was like China, invincible. Every trophy went to them. And I remember I was from Teresa, so we were like India. हमारा कोई chance नहीं था. But ठीक है, as long as all of us can agree कि मैं मेरे batch की नीरज चोपड़ा थी, we can all make peace with it. But yes, it was great. School time, you made so many friends. I remember some batchmates are engaged now to each other, so congratulations to them. There are people who are in touch, who are still best friends, teachers I'm still in touch with, and I'm so grateful for them. Yes, there are memories I think I'm never gonna forget. One excuse me beta from Sandeep sir, and all of us are like Biggie Billy. When you look back, it's like this memory that is buried in some old chest of drawers, and when you see it, it all comes back in waves. You might hate school, you might love school, but there's no part you can forget about it. It's like the 18 initial years of your life. I hope that seeing familiar faces today, through after so many years, somewhere makes you feel happy, connected, whatever. And I hope you're fine, you're doing great.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul.
Goenka always was a sporty, event-filled school.
The school is very encouraging. What the teachers have created with us, it's just amazing.
Starting with this picture.
Look at the faces.
This is us in 8th standard.
Students are influenced by teachers.
They are sent out because they are not studying, but as soon as they are sent out, they suddenly have this urge to study. Be like, may I come in, ma'am? No, ma'am, I want to study. Backbenchers, always asleep.
Pratham was like always sleeping.
My name is Anthony Gonzalez.
Madness came over.
Our batch was one that never crossed the limits with respect of the teacher. You were a hostelite. I was sent back home because I reached it after 7:50. Mukesh sir took us cycling. The Vasu on the way from the sports ground to the class, he must have had 14-15 teachers. Vasu, where is your tie? Where is your ID card? Why is your shirt out? Ma'am, class ma che.
All those Gujarati comments.
Gopal sir's class, it was Smith who knew Gopal sir. Hello. You sit with him, you teach him. I also want to learn. You also sit.
This mathematics day, one video.
Ramanujan. 8th standard selfie. My iPad was confiscated by Satya sir. I'm extremely sorry, and I brought it by mistake. ये तो wallpaper रखा है साहब ने.
Everyone had a reason. How can we forget this?
In the words of Prem sir, this was one of the best councils ever. Everybody being very supportive. कि हाँ बोलो ना मानवेंद्र भैया.
Everyone was very enthusiastic.
And truly one of the best times of my school. To another best time of my school.
Is that you?
Me, and that's Suryansh. These were fun times. I don't even remember what I was doing. हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
I have clicked this. What were you? Bharat. Fluorescent
The recording with the costume. Bundi sir, Bilal sir, Sohail sir.
Teachers' Day.
Neil, Noddy, Jigar. I think Teachers' Day was one day that teachers used to forget their age and melt in with the crowd.
As a child and used to enjoy it.
कि सोहेल भाई सुनो ना ये करो ना अरे सोहेल भाई अरे पुंदी सर आप ये मत करो पुंदी सर ऐसे करो ऐसे.
We were leading the parade. Nancy ma'am had commented, I can see future head girl, head boy in you guys.
Here I can see Mopali ma'am also. These are all the primary and pre-primary teachers. She used to be the host, Priyanshi. She teacher was a very good person to be around. Always full of energy. There were always interesting stories.
Hardik sir used to tell us stories while explaining the mathematic equations.
All of the guys decided to wear turtlenecks. Arrival and departure have been taunted by some of the teachers for my tummy. It has been a very non-orthodoxical mindset throughout the school.
This is the best trip ever. Kundi sir and Shweta ma'am.
The smallest class in the batch. One thing about Bilal sir is that I remember to this day that Arsalan has very good biryani with kishmish and aloo and everything. But I still do not know how to put a balance sheet in a chronological order. He always used to explain practical examples. When there is bill and invoice chapter, so he will go back to his father's old shop. He usually slides off and then the period ends. I am very confident in saying that this was one of the most fashionable classes of the batch. We used to be the most mischievous, one of the best classes. Definitely.
Sports day. The whole atmosphere changes. The drama competition in 10th standard.
One of the last pictures that we took as a class.
Last pictures of our class. This was also from the same time.
Picture, yeah.
It was a medley. It had a theme like that only, that 2 girls and 2 boys medley.
US trip, Sejal ma'am, Renuka ma'am, Nancy ma'am, Binal ma'am, full of experiences and bad and good experiences.
It was a second home for us. So कभी घर जाने का भी मन नहीं करता था. It was only for Sunday menu. The most await choice menu. We decide what we want to eat. We play sports together. We celebrated each and every festival together.
Never felt homesick.
Not at all. Those 7 years in hostel was like one of the best years.
This was Christmas.
I got very emotional when I called her.
The lower batch really needs to be taught how to throw a farewell party. They must have worked their heart out, but they need to be taught.
So this photo is from the trip Bangalore, Ooty and Mysore. We had Abha ma'am and Hardik sir.
Perfect combination of strict and fun. Both of them.
So Sneha ma'am was our class teacher. Everyone was roaming around. So when she entered, it's like सब लोग घूम क्यों रहे इधर? अभी कल पूरा क्लास नीचे बैठ के पढ़ेगा और सब जमीन पे बैठ के पढ़ेंगे. You know, Amrish sir, who wasn't able to teach us, so he requested Sneha ma'am that ma'am please cancel the punishment. I'm not able to teach them properly.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the
Hello guys, I'm Asta Parekh and I have passed out this year From joining GD Goenka in 2013 to now passing out in 2021, these 9 years have been so amazing. From winning medals during sports days to representing my school at various levels in sports, I feel so blessed to have made my school proud. And at each part of stepping up at a new level, all the teachers and faculties, they have been so supportive, so caring and so motivating, and I'm extremely thankful for all that they have done for me. And I still remember when I came in GD in 4th standard and seeing all my seniors, I always dreamt of being a part of the student council, and then finally becoming the vice head girl. The school has made me realize my true potential. And all in all, I had a very great experience here in GD, and I'm extremely thankful to each and everyone who has contributed to the same.
Greetings, myself Tanish Jain. I'm an ex-student of GD Goenka International School and I passed my 12th standard in the year 2021. I spent almost a decade in the school and each day has brought in new obstacles as well as opportunities. But with the help of my teachers, I've been able to go through them all. And I would like to thank all my teachers and the school for doing so. I truly believe that school has lived up to its motto of higher, stronger, brighter, as it has groomed me into a better person and prepared me for the future. Thank you.
It's so sweet, so nostalgic, and great to see you all. Now, we have a special performance by our very own PVA coordinator, tremendous singer and a dashing performer, Chaitanya Bhanawala.
When I feel cold, I keep you close. And if I could hold you and take you home, when at night the toes touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep. If you were mine to keep, I wish I could leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days, they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I could leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days, they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए। तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी, हिस्से में फासले भी तेरे बेमिसाल आए। मैं जो तुझसे दूर हूँ, क्यों दूर मैं रहूँ, तेरा गुरूर हूँ। तू फासला मिटा, तू ख्वाब सा मिला, क्यों ख्वाब तोड़ दूँ। अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है,
क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है, गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पर से इसमें, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, ए दिल तू बता रे। हाय 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 हाय।
Wow, sir, it was a fantastic performance. We thoroughly enjoyed it.
Hello students and all my colleagues. This is Sohail Makwana, Assistant Coordinator Higher Section at JD Goenka International School. I would like to thank the Almighty for putting His blessings on us, in fact on all of us, for organizing these wonderful events for my ex-Goenkans. It is well said that no event can be a grand success without hundreds of hands behind the event. I am extremely grateful for the opportunity management has given me to have a vote of thanks to all the members associated with the event. First of all, I would like to thank my ex-Goenkans who have given their heart and soul for the event to become a great success. Secondly, all my colleagues, Miss Shweta Gupta, Miss Meghna Badlani, in fact, the ex-Goenkans like Manvendra Vansia, Tanish Jain, to give their time, effort for this event. I also would like to extend my gratitude towards the special mention of my faculty members like the PVA coordinator, Mr. Chaitanya Bhanawala, Miss Ankita Kapadia, and all others who are involved in the event. I would also like to thank all my ex-Goenkan teachers to guide the children and to motivate the children with a short video that they have given on a very short notice. I am sure that all my alumni will get a lots of inspiration from those videos and they would remember it as a lifelong memory. May God bless all of us, and in the future may we conduct many such events that will help all of us to come together and to cherish all the memories of the past when we all were part of this Goenka. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Now it's time to formally conclude today's meet. Let's sing the school anthem.
To you I raise my sweet adoration, to you I pledge my endless devotion. The rich knowledge we get with your guidance, our trust for you is growing higher. We are the children of GDGIS, we are the family of GDGIS. We learn and play as we find ourselves and give the world the best of us. We pray and wait for the time so glorious. We grow with you and win laurels. We are the children of GDGIS, we are the family of GDGIS. As birds we come, and to flowers we bloom, and fly as eagle on wings to blue. Guided by mentors who teach us be true, to cross the bounds and see the new. We are the children of GDGIS, we are the family of GDGIS.
Lastly, I want to praise the multiple roles played by you. There are advocates, artists, scientists, doctors, actors, engineers, businessmen, etc. I would like to appreciate all the effort that is done by you, all for the development of our society, and thank you for justifying the years spent by you at this institution. Last but not the least, wish you a wonderful evening. Have a great time ahead. Thank you. God bless.